Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of inmate. A person confined to an institution such as a prison or hospital. For example, inmates of the Louisiana State Penitentiary. American pronunciation. Inmate. Inmate. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Inmate. Say. Inmate. Inmate means person living in institution. Inmate. Inmate. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. In recent times, actions against prison authorities by inmates have become increasingly common. Now, repeat after me. In recent times, actions against prison authorities by inmates have become increasingly common. The second practice. We have a special housing unit where they house the inmates they interrogate. Now, repeat after me. We have a special housing unit where they house the inmates they interrogate.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.